one of 260 built with a power factory sunroof. This 69 Dodge Charger SE crossed the block at Mecum Harrisburg 2025, but did not sell, topping out at $60,000. Charger came loaded with Magnum 383, automatic transmission, air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, and 6-way driver adjustable seat. It even came with factory documentation and the original broadcast sheet. So would you have bid more than $60K for this rare Mopar? Or is $60K right on the money? Let us know in the comments.